Now, the police have thwarted the contract killing of 3 women from Western Jamaica. A district constable and a female teacher are among 7 persons who were arrested yesterday in connection with the failed plot. Details were provided at a press conference today. Raquel Porter tells us more.
Head of the Jamaica Constabulary Force's Crime and Security Portfolio, Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey, says the contract killers were paid $400,000 to carry out the hit. The police, acting on intelligence, conducted targeted operations in the corporate area where several weapons, including a high-powered rifle and multiple rounds of ammunition, were seized. Police uniforms, including a ballistic vest and 2 pairs of handcuffs, were also found. According to DCP Bailey, the district constable implicated in the incident tendered a resignation letter last month. He is being identified as 28-year-old Andrew Wright. Police intercepted a car that he, along with 2 other men, were traveling in on Washington Boulevard in St. Andrew.
District Constable Wright was found with an illegal Glock 26 pistol loaded with 19 or 11 9mm rounds. The motor car was seized and all 3 persons taken into custody and arrested with illegal possession of firearm.
He says the hit was ordered from overseas.
If it were not for the interception of that car, this morning we may have seen on the headline 3 females killed in the western part of the island. The females were interviewed by the police, identified and interviewed, and we have put in place the appropriate target hardening against them.
The JCF is now working with the Federal Bureau of Investigations, FBI, with its probe into the attempted contract killing of the women.
They have actually pledged their support. As a matter of fact, after this interview, I will be having some discussion with representatives from the FBI. And there are other law enforcement officers overseas who have been contacted.
So far, the multi-agency investigation has linked the individuals to a criminal network.
The group that we have identified is involved in a series of robberies, contract killings, and murders. There are other matters that are currently being investigated by this group.